Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here at Burlington and I wanted to share with you guys some of the toys that they have out right now. In case you guys are looking for gift ideas, I'm going to do two videos and I'm going to start with toys for little girls. This is, let's see, it's Minnie Mouse. Some of these things don't have prices on there. There's no price on that one. This is the Grinch. Let me see.
The Grinch. I'm going to steal their Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Time Travel Alley. That's $12.99 for that doll. This little World Traveler Minnie Mouse set. That one is $11.99. Then there's a drum set behind that. It's kind of difficult to show all the prices because I'm working with one hand, so I'll try to show as much of the prices as I can. This one is $12.99 and that's Barbie. It's a little barista set. Some Disney Princess tea set. It's 26 pieces, service for 4, and that's $9.99. This mini tea set. This one is, there's no price. A lot of these things don't have prices on them. Let me see if this one has it. It's $4.99. This tea set right here, this is $6.99, which is not a bad price. A baby with a musical potty and it flushes. That's $9.99. More tea sets. Let's see what they have on this side. This Barbie set is $12.99 for that. Over here they have the Rapunzel styling head. That's $12.99. And they have the Disney Princess Toddler dolls. And these are $14.99. They have Fancy Nancy back there. They have Ariel, Belle. Back here it is, oh, it's another Ariel. Who's back here? There's this Barbie ice cream cart. That's $19.99. There's all the little ice cream, sprinkles, stuff like that.
Unless you want to get a little Barbie set.
I'm trying to think.
This is $11.99. That's $12.99 for this. This Barbie camping set is $19.99. This one right here, you can be anything Barbie doll. That's $11.99. Let's see over here, they have some more dolls. This one is $9.99. A lot of these are $9.99. This Baby Magic is $15.99 and she crawls. They have a stainless steel cookware play set that's $7.99. And then this one is the Chef's Collection for ages 3 and up, and that's $11.99. That one is like a little pie set. The prices on the toys here are very reasonable. These are $4.99. It's a porcelain tea set. And they have this unicorn tin tea set for $12.99. The porcelain tea set was $4.99. And they have a mixer. It's 13 pieces. That's $9.99. This one is $4.99. That's not a bad price. Then over here they have the coffee maker set. That's $12.99 for that. And they have the microwave set over here. If you can get in here. This is $12.99. Some little vet play set. So yeah, that's it for the girls. I'll be doing a part 2 video to this one with some gift ideas for little boys. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video.